Hello! My name is Peyton Gibbs. I probably know some of you because we've been in previous comm classes, but this is my third semester at CWI. One of my goals is to graduate this semester, so super excited about that. I hope to go kind of in the media, marketing, sort of communications route. My original plan back when I was like 10 years old was going to be an author slash illustrator, but that's not exactly an easy career field to get into. But I hope that my years as a marketer will probably help me down that future path. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be, marketing. So media, that's my thing. I love painting, so I figured since this is a video, this was a jellyfish I did last week. And I did a paint night with a bunch of friends. We did this, so you can see the smell. Yeah, that's my hobbies. As I said, I'm an author. I love writing. I write stories all the time. Hopefully one of them will be published one of these days, so super excited about that. My chosen media experience, I posted a trailer video of Minecraft, and it is my favorite video game, and I think the reason is because my brother and I had played it ever since it pretty much came out, and it's how we like bond. We get on and we build stuff together. You know, sometimes like 7 hours straight, which sounds like a really long time, but I don't know. We sit down with some popcorn and treats and stuff. It goes by fast. So yeah, it was a bonding experience. He's a lot younger than I am, so he's about 6 years younger, so that's one thing that we can bond even though we're kind of far apart in age. What I learned from this media is kind of like creativity is endless and teamwork is essential. If you're on survival mode in Minecraft, those of you who are gamers, you know, to get materials takes a really long time. And if you have a friend who wants to build the same stuff as you, it makes things a lot easier. So it's kind of interesting that teamwork is a big part of that. So in the book, it mentioned a quote on page 6, which I thought was interesting. Let me find it. It says that McLuhan defined media technologies as both extensions of man and famously the message. And I don't know if you guys seen in Minecraft, but it's like a virtual world, but blocks. So it's like our world, but blocks. It's extension of man, I guess. I don't know. And one of the questions was, do you find it a paradox? Absolutely. I go on to play Minecraft to hang out with my brother, spend time with him, when we could just actually spend time together. Like go out and do something together rather than doing this online, but it's what we do. So I definitely a paradox. And then the third person effect, yes. For me, playing 7 hours on Minecraft, it's totally fine. But if anybody else does it, no, they are crazy addicted to this kind of stuff. So definitely a third person experience. We consider ourselves safe from the worst effects while still worrying about the younger or less educated informed who we fear take the tabloids seriously or imitate violent movies or get addicted to the internet. So that's what the book says. When I read this, I was like, oh, yes, this is me. I totally discount all the time I spend on video games when in reality I criticize other people for spending that much time. So it's kind of crazy. Think about it, like how many times I've tried to delete my Facebook page. Lots of times, and yet it still is on my phone, and I still look on it daily. So like binge watching TVs, everybody does it. We all say, oh wow, you watched a season in one weekend, you're crazy, but we are all doing it ourselves. So it's just kind of interesting that I personally do the third person effect. So yeah, I'm excited. This is going to be a cool class, and I'll see you online.